Nigeria is suffering its worst flooding in a decade, largely because of heavy rains caused by climate change. Over 603 people have reportedly died, more than 2,400 others have been injured, and more than 1.4 million have been displaced. The GuardianTV spoke to Edide Harriet, an entrepreneur and a resident of Bayelsa, one of the states badly hit by the flood. And here is how she narrated the current state of things in the South state.
There's really nothing much on ground apart from the fact that everybody just trying to, fend for themselves and see how this will pass sooner than we expect. Though the government has been trying to reach out to affected persons, trying to send foodstuff, palliatives, and all the rest. Everybody just there. Almost all the local governments in Bayelsa State, we have 8 local governments, and 7 out of the 8, even the remaining 1, is actually affected. It's just that it did not take over everywhere in the local government. That's the state capital. And some part of the state capital as well is actually flooded. People are living outside their homes, so it's all like 99% of Bayelsa is flooded right now. Okay, for some persons, even though the flood is everywhere, there are some houses that probably when the engineers were building, they saw that, this was a very low area that could actually get flooded in case there's much rain. So I guess there's a way they can fill some houses. Some of them are not totally submerged by the flood, so people still live there. Then other persons that do not have houses at that high, they came the road, like the express road. Usually when they build road, they tend to fill the road higher than the normal level of the area. I don't know if you understand what I mean. Yeah, so the road is usually higher, so the flood does not cover the road. For some road though, so people come and make tents along the road and just stay there, cook there, you sleep there. That's your new home. So that's how. And for some persons that have families that their house were not really submerged, they move to their family house. It's like me, all my family, my siblings, my mom, everybody else, all our other houses were submerged apart from my house. So everybody is in my house right now. Everybody, like my entire family, is in my house right now. And I don't want to, you will not even believe how many persons are staying in an apartment. So it's really crazy. I cannot really say they've done enough because prior to this terrible incident, we've been told that there was going to be this flood situation. They've made announcements on radio. I think I've heard several times. I even heard from my mom that they were going to be the flood this season was going to be pretty much. And then what I expected the government to do was set up IDP camps, prepare for this kind of incident. Open up the drainages so that when the flood comes, it's not like it's going to get stopped. It will have channels to pass through. But I didn't see any of those preparations. There were no prior arrangements to curb this whole incident. As of now that everybody is running helter-skelter, people are crying, people are dying, and all of these things, that the government started being proactive, bringing in medicine, sending food, but it's almost too late. It's like medicine after death because people are already in the mess. When you're sending food, you're sending drugs to people that are sick inside the water. It doesn't do so much because they are still going to be there. It's not like there's a proper place, created for them to stay. People are staying in uncompleted buildings. People are staying community schools. School buildings are not totally submerged by the water and all of that. So I can't really say the government is doing much, but that's they are doing the best they can as of now, because recently, because of the hiking price, petroleum products are so expensive. I have bought fuel for 1,000 naira per liter in Bayelsa State because of this flood, because the road is bad and petroleum products could not come in or go out of the state. There is serious hiking, everything, transportation, food, petrol, fuel, gas, everything. People sell 800, some people sell 650, some people sell 1,000. There are even people that you see that will sell for you for 1,200. I don't think I will be able to explain that in actual sense, but believe me, people have lost millions of naira. People have lost thousands of money right now, because there are some businesses that are forced to even shut down, because apart from the fact that the petroleum products are high in price, you cannot even access them. And this is Nigeria where we don't have, because of the flood, the power stations have to shut down some areas completely because it's not going to be safe. So there's no light, and then you don't have access to fuel. You cannot even see fuel to buy to power your gym to continue with your business. So some businesses have shut down at the moment, while some of us are just trying to continue with what we are doing. Everything is high. Imagine buying fuel for 1,000 naira per liter. How much do you want? How do you now start, selling your products? How for companies like mine that are into production, how do you produce, and how are you going to, charge your customers? And then secondly, because the access road is not accessible, you cannot even get goods outside the state. Most of the things we produce with here are things we get outside the state. You cannot even have them. So this is almost like a stranded situation. We are just here. Not saying businesses are not, you cannot even say businesses are going on. We are just here. Some areas I hear, like my dad said, our house, he's still in the house, he refused to leave because everything is packed there. Which also has gives some people to go into somebody's house and steal. So my dad refused to leave the house. So as of yesterday when I called him, he said the water is not how do they put it? The water is not getting much, like it's not increasing in size. But I'm also seeing from some other people that are complaining. I saw a post on Facebook where a family was saying that the water has gotten into their house as of last week, as of few days back. Like it's stagnant, it's not moving, it's not going down at the moment. So I can't really. Everywhere is still flooded. Yes, but I know that people have died as a result of this. I can say I know of an incident where two ladies got drowned. For now, the appeal that I can make, and I'm sure most Bayelsans would also make, is the government should make provision for how they can get goods and petroleum products into the state. I don't know how they want to do it, but they should look for every possible means to do that, because if they don't do that, things are going to get more expensive. The cost of living is going to be more expensive. Nigeria is already hard enough. Then you now have this kind of situation. It's not going to be easy for anybody. So they should just look for a way, try and see how goods and petroleum products can come into the state. Once people have food to eat, once people have transportation, they can go on with their businesses, they can go on with their lives and see how they can fend for themselves. But in a situation where you don't have you don't have light, you don't have food. It's terrible. So whichever way they can, and then we need the federal government's intervention, because I'm not sure the state government can handle this alone. It's much. We are talking about a whole state. I'm not sure the state government can handle it alone. So the federal government should intervene in any way they can.